Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this used BMW X5 M Sport. This BMW is powered by a 3-litre diesel hybrid engine that produces 294 brake horsepower with automatic transmission and xDrive. It's finished in the stunning black paintwork with M Sport styling. To the side of the vehicle you find the 20-inch M-Star spoke alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Coming into the boot, which will be open automatically, and you find the BMW offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the Towbar. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with this luxurious leather seating, which features a folding armrest with cupholders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you find your vent controls with heated outer rear seat capabilities and USB ports. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front seats with power adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders with heating and cooling capabilities, and storage inside the armrest. The heated steering wheel features cruise control, shift paddles, and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the touchscreen display, there are various ways to listen to media, such as FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and Spotify. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can also access various vehicle settings. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. There are a range of drive modes available for you to choose from. And this BMW comes equipped with front rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. On the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used BMW X5 M Sport that's now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.